Welcome to our channel Global Online. So in this series we are solving previous year question papers of UGC-NET. So basically we are taking few, in every lecture we are taking few previous year questions and we solve it thoroughly. So today we are going to solve mathematical reasoning previous year question and we are going to do complete paper analysis. So let's start. So before going towards question, so our global online platform is available on Play Store and iPhones also. So you can download it by searching global online, and after installing the app you can see the UI as given. Here you can search courses category wise like PhD entrance, MHSET, UGC-NET, and from the store you can search specific courses also like MHSET, UGC-NET, and different papers according to your subject. You can also enroll the courses from here and have the access to those courses. Let's see the first question now. So first question is the next term in the series is, so this is series question where we have asked the next term after this alphabetic series. So first alphabets are, first string is A, B, then second one is E, D, third one is I, H, then fourth one is N, M, and we have to find the fifth one. Okay, so first of all, as we have earlier discussed, we need to write down the alphabetic series, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, E, Now let's try to solve this question. So this is little bit complicated question, so but no need to worry. You just have to analyze the alphabets which are given in us in the questions, that is A, B, E, D, I, H, and N, M. So after analyzing you can see a pattern between A, B, E, D, I, H, and N, M. Okay, so as you know, the numbering also, A starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and similarly 14, 15, 16 till 26. So let's write down the series first. AB, then ED, then IH, then NM. Okay, so here we can see if we add 1 to A, so it comes B, so B is at second position. 1 plus 1, that is 2, that is, so B 2, second position 2. And if we add 2 in B, if we add 2 in B, we get what? D. 2 plus 2, that is 4, and D is at fourth position. Correct? After that we can see if we add plus 1 in D, we get E. Let's write it properly. So B plus 2 we get D. And if we add D plus 1 we get E. Correct? Now if we add E with plus 3, so basically if we can see there is plus 1, then there is plus 2 and there is plus 3. Okay, so if we add plus 3 in E we get H, because H is at 8th position, right? Then we add plus 1 on H, we get I. Correct? Now again, like earlier where we saw B plus 2, we got D. Correct? Similarly we will add plus 2 to I. So if we add I plus 2 we get M. Sorry, 1 second. So if we add I plus 4, so there is increment, we can see plus 2 and then there is plus 4. So we get M. Then if we add plus 1 to M, similarly like we did earlier, so we get N. Correct? So now like we saw, we added plus 3, then and before that we added plus 1. So there is difference of 2. So these are odd numbers. So then if we add plus 5 to N, we get S. That its numbering is 19. Correct? After, like we earlier did, so then now we have to add plus 1. So S plus 1 we get T. So TS, we have to find, do we have TS as our option? So first option is TS. So our correct answer is TS. I will explain this question again. So here, next term of the series we have to find AB, ED, IH, N and NM. Okay, the fifth string we have to find. So here we are doing AB. So we are here we are doing A plus 1. So we got B. Correct? Then we are doing B plus 2. Now we are getting D. Then we are doing D plus 1. So we got E. After that we do E plus 3, we get H. Then plus 1 we do, so we get I. Then I plus 4 we are doing, then we get M. Then plus 1 we are doing again, then we are getting N. And after that we are doing plus 5, so we got S. And again we did plus 1. So that's why our answer is TS. So here there is a pattern of addition. So pattern is like, first of all we are doing plus 1 and we are doing then plus 2, plus 3, similarly plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 we are doing, and within one string we are doing plus 1. In every string we are doing plus 1 and then we are adding plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, like that. Hope you have understood the solution. Now let's move towards second question. Second question is again, it is not a series question but it is a coding question, but here also we use the alphabetic series. So in second question we have given a string streamers, and streamer is coded as U, V, T, G, A, L, D, Q and R. Now they have asked that how knowledge will be coded. So let's write down our string in the question given, that is streamers, AMERS. Yes, okay. And now coded string is given as U, V, T, G, A, then L, D, Q and R. Okay. Now here we have to observe the strings given, and we have to find a pattern and analyze by analyzing these two strings. So if we analyze S and U, okay, so according to AB, like in alphabetic series, if we add +2 to S, so we get U, correct? Similarly, if we add +2 to T, we get V. Again, if we add +2 to R, we get T. Then if we add +2 to E, we get G. And here A is coded as A only, so means there is no difference, correct? So let's write it down as 0. Then what is the difference between L and M? 1. So it comes -1. Similarly, E minus D, we get -1. Similarly, R minus Q, -1, and S minus R, that is -1. Now basically what we have written down, that +2 +2 +2 +2 0 -1 -1 -1 -1 is a pattern, and this is the using this they have encrypted the string, that is streamers. So now we have to code knowledge in similar way. So we will write down knowledge okay. So if we do similarly, we have to follow the pattern like we also saw above for streamers. Here we will do K plus 2. So K, L, M, correct? So here we will write down +2 M. For N, again we will do +2 N, M, N, M, N, sorry, N, M, M, N, O, P, correct? So we will write down as P. Now O plus 2 we will do. So it comes Q, O, P, Q, R. So Q. Then W plus 2, it comes Y. For L, so it will be 0, so L will come as it is. For E, there is in the above only we can see for streamer E is coded as D. For D, it comes to C. Then for G, it is F. And for again E, it comes D. So in this way knowledge is coded. So now we have to find the answer matching to our solution. So first option is A, M, Q, P, Y, L, C, D, F, D, and second is M, P, Q, Y, L, D, C, F, D. So we can see our B option is the correct one. Okay, so for such type of questions you should know the numbering of alphabets, so which makes the approach more quicker. Hope you have understood the solution. Let's move toward next question. This is blood relation question now. So this mostly these questions are simple to solve. So here we have given A is brother of B and B is brother of C. A is brother of B, B is brother of C, C is husband of D, E is the father of A. So how is D related to E? Okay, so basically they have given A is brother of B, B, correct. Again B is brother of C, C is a husband of D, so D is female. Okay, now we have given that E is the father of A. E is father of A. So now we have asked, so D is related to E. So how D is related to E? So it is very simple. So we can see options: daughter, daughter-in-law, sister-in-law, sister. So our answer is daughter-in-law. It is very simple question. Fifth question. So this is ratio and proportion question. Two numbers are in ratio 3:5. If 9 is subtracted from numbers, the ratio will become 12:23, and numbers are, we have given the options 30, 50, 36, 60, 33, 55, 42 and 70. So first of all we have let's consider there are two numbers. Okay, 3x ratio we have given, so let's consider x. So and the second is 5x. Okay, now they have given that if 9 is subtracted from both the numbers, the ratio will become 12:23, correct. So if we write 3x minus 9 upon 5x minus 9 equals to 12 upon 23. So basically now we have to solve this equation, correct. So now we have to do multiplication on left hand and right side. We have to transfer 23 to left hand and 5x minus 9 to right hand. Okay, so if we solve this, so 23 multiply by 3x multiply by 3x minus 9 equals to 12x 12 into 5x minus 9. So here we can multiply both the sides. So 23 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 69 x. Then 23 9s are 207. 12 5s are 60x minus 12 9s are 108. Okay, and now we have to solve this. So 69x minus 60x equals to 207 minus 108, correct. So 69x minus 9x, 60 is 9x. Then we have to do 207 minus 108, it comes 99. So x is, we get x equals to 11. 99 divided by 9, that is 11. So here we have got the x. Now we consider that we had two numbers, that is 3x and 5x, correct? Now we have to put the value of x in both the numbers, and by this we can find the actual numbers. So 3 into 11, 33, and 5 into 11, that is 55. So 33 and 55. Now we have to see the options. Do we have such option? So A is 30, 50, B is 36, 60, and C is 33, 55. So C is the correct option. Now let's move toward next question. The mean of father and son ages is 27. After 18 years, father will be twice as old as his son. The present ages are. So here we have given the mean of age of son and father. So that is 27. Then after 18 years, father will be twice as old as his son, they have said. So after 18 years, father will be twice as old as his son. So they have asked the present age of both father and son. So let's try to solve this question. So sum of ages of father and son is 27 into 2. So because for average we know the formula, sum of total elements divided by number of elements equals to that gives us average. Okay, so that's why we did 27 into 2. So it comes 54. Okay, now let's consider age of father is x. Correct. Now if age of father is x, so age of son will be 54 minus x. So now they have asked after 18 years, father will be twice old as his son. So after 18 years, what will be the father's age? X plus 18. So after 18 years, what will be the son's age? So we know 54 minus x plus 18. So that gives us 72 minus x equals to 72 minus x. Now according to the question, they have said that after 18 years father will be twice old as his son. So we can write it down as father's age x plus 18 equals to 2 multiplied by 72 minus x, that because father's age is twice. Now we have to solve this equation. X plus 18 equals to 144 minus 2x. Correct. So 3x equals to 144 minus 18. So that gives us 3x equals to 126. So x will come 42. 126 minus, divided by 3, that is 42. So father's age is 42. Now what will be the son's age? That also we have to find. So 54 minus x will be the son's age. So 54 minus 42 equals to 12. So this is a 12 years son's age, and this is 42 years father's age. So first option we can see, that is 42 and 12 is the correct option. This was the simple question, just we have to form equations and solve them. Now let's see the next question. So again this is the ratio proportion question. So what is the question given? Let's see. So we have given ages of Swati and Manisha, which are in ratio of 5:6. And the sum of their ages is 55 years. What will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? This today, which all the questions which we took are from the previous years, like 2019, 2020, and this question is from 2021 UGC-NET paper 1. So ages of Swati and Manisha are in ratio of 5:6. Okay, and sum of their ages is 55 years. Correct. So what will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? So let the Swati age is 5x and Manisha's age be 6x. Okay, now the sum of their ages is given, that is 55 years. So here from this we can calculate the value of x. So it comes 11x equals to 55. Okay, so x is equals to 5. Now we have to find the age after 5 years. Correct. So 5x. So first of all, let's find the age for Swati. So for Swati's age, sorry, we did it. I think we wrote it correctly. Yeah, it is correct. Sorry. Swati age will be 5x plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so we know the value of x, that is 5. So 25 plus 5. It is 30. For Manisha, six x plus 5. So it comes 30 plus 5, that is 35. Okay, so now we have to find the ratio of this Swati and Manisha's age. So that will be 30 upon 35. So it will be 6 by 7. So let's see the options: 5 by 6, 6 by 5, and 6:7. So this is our correct option, C. Now let's take last question as a homework. Here we have asked, this is speed time distance question. So in a 100-meter race, A beat B by 10 meter or 2 seconds. What is the speed of A? So this is one is simple question, speed, time and distance. So which you can solve by using simple formula, speed equals to distance upon time. Hope you have liked my video. Please subscribe to our channel Global Online Platform and download our application on Play Store.